Away from your shop? No problem. Just grab your phone, log into the ProfitNet mobile app, and access the power of ProfitNet wherever you are. ProfitNet Mobile Plus is a mobile application used to input information from the mobile app to ProfitNet. There are a variety of things you can do, such as upload customer authorization forms and signatures, upload photos directly to the repair order attachment folder, manage production status via the mobile vehicle tracker, clock in and out of work, or on and off ROs, update RO notes, and add minor repair lines to RO detail lines. This application is supported by Windows 8 computers, Android, and iOS tablets and phones. For this demonstration, we will be using a Windows 8 computer. To begin, you will need to log in using your ProfitNet mobile account. Call the Yada Systems technical team for installation and downloading support for the application. Once your device is configured and the information is validated, you are ready to go. Improving productivity and cycle times are two of the many benefits of ProfitNet Mobile Plus. When gathering vehicle and customer information during the initial stages of the estimating process, ProfitNet Mobile Plus communicates directly with ProfitNet to remotely add new or update existing repair orders. As you can see in this example, we can either search for an existing RO or create a new customer. Let's start by creating a new customer and selecting the appropriate documentation, such as a directive payment we will need the customer to sign. Once selected, the next screen brings us to the Customer Information page, where we can collect the customer's information, such as their first and last name, email address, physical address, phone numbers, and preferred method of contact. We can also input the vehicle information in the section on the right and ask how the customer heard about our shop. We also have the option to search for an existing customer and update existing information in ProfitNet. In this demonstration, we will choose an existing customer. In this case, we will click on the Use Selected Customer and Vehicle, but the option to select the customer and add new vehicle information is also available. Once we select the customer and vehicle, the next screen will show us any existing repair orders or provide the option to create a new job for the customer. We will create a new RO and select the documents we would like the customer to sign. Any information in ProfitNet will automatically populate the customer and vehicle information for our existing customer and allow us to update the information, if necessary. Once all information has been verified with the customer, we can click Continue. The following screen will direct us to the documentation that the customer needs to review and provide their signature. In this example, we will need the customer to sign the Direction to Pay statement. At the bottom of the document is a signature box, where the customer will be able to provide their signature. Once signed, we hit Continue, and that will submit all the information, along with the signed documents, to ProfitNet. At this point, all information has been sent to ProfitNet. Let's now take a look at the next step, uploading the information once you have returned to the shop. Within ProfitNet, we select New Customer and click on Imported Web Customer. Here you will see the customer we just entered in ProfitNet Mobile Plus with all of the information we gathered while off-site. Scan through the information by clicking the Next button to make sure all necessary fields are complete and click Finish to import the new repair order. You can now see all the information is seamlessly converted to our ProfitNet system. After collecting and sending the customer and vehicle information, we can now return to capture images of the vehicle. In the main menu of ProfitNet Mobile Plus, select the camera icon Attach to Job. This tool captures new photos or attached existing photos to your jobs. Fill in the RO number created in the previous step and provide a description for the photo. Options for this tool include taking a new photo with the tablet or phone, or selecting an existing photo from the device. For this demonstration, we will select an existing photo of the vehicle. You may also queue the attachment if there are multiple images to capture, or transmit the files to ProfitNet. Once we have clicked Transmit, the image is sent to the job. Once submitting the photo, it will show up in ProfitNet under the Attachments button. As you can see, the image uploaded from ProfitNet Mobile Plus is now attached to the repair order in ProfitNet. Next, let's walk through how to manage your production status via the mobile vehicle tracker. To begin, select Vehicle Tracker from the mobile app main menu. This tool allows you to remotely view current vehicle positions throughout the shop and update vehicle tracker department information. For this example, we will type in an existing repair order number to view the vehicle's movement through the different departments. Right now, this vehicle is in Start. We will move it to Teardown and save the changes. Once saved, the vehicle's movement will also be updated in our ProfitNet system and within Vehicle Tracker, as seen here. ProfitNet Mobile Plus also features the Repair Order Notes tool to allow users to view and add notes to any RO. To begin, select the Repair Order Notes selection from the main menu. Next, input the desired RO number and enter your notes. For this example, we have completed the task of taking photos of the vehicle and will add this note to the RO. Once completed, we will click Save and the information is immediately sent to ProfitNet and our entry is saved under Existing Notes. We can also access the time card, which allows technicians the ability to clock in and out of the shop and RO or category. Here we will clock into the shop and you will see that our shop clock status is In. As a technician, we also have the ability to clock into open jobs. Simply select the job and click Clock In. It will then show that we are clocked into that RO. Once we are done with the job, we are then able to clock out of the RO. Then, once we are done for the day, we can clock out of the shop and the shop clock status shows we are clocked out. The last feature of ProfitNet Mobile Plus is the ProfitNet Dashboard. This tool allows us to view the ProfitNet Dashboard webpage to see our key performance indicators. We have the option to view the Shop View Trends for the entire shop, or we can view by estimator comparisons. For more information about a specific chart, we can select Toggle Help View, and a quick description of each chart is provided. That completes our presentation on the features of the ProfitNet Mobile Plus app. For more information, contact Yada Systems or your Axalta ProfitNet representative.